Most customization apps usually focus on widgets, icons, or wallpapers, but this one adds something extra: custom stickers directly onto your home screen. So, after opening the app, you will see different options to create your own sticker. The interesting part is that there are two easy methods. The first method is using your own photos. You can select any image from your gallery, maybe an anime character, cartoon, doodle, pet photos, or even your own artwork. Then the app lets you remove the background from the image. After that, you can add an outline around the sticker which make it stand out properly on the home screen. You can also adjust how thick the outline should be depending on the style you want. And once it's done, it actually looks like a real sticker placed on your screen instead of just another image widget. Now the second method is even easier. Instead of importing photo, you can directly use characters or stickers from your keyboard. So if your keyboard supports emojis, symbols, or cute characters, you can instantly turn them into floating stickers for the home screen. After creating the sticker, you just add it to the home screen like a normal widget. So the next app is for people who really love the Google Pixel style of home screen customizations. The app is called Material Widgets. And this app basically brings that same pixel experience to almost any Android device. The first thing you will notice is the huge collection of widgets available inside the app. There are clocks, battery widgets, weather, search bar, quick settings, photo widgets, and a lot more. And the design are very clean and minimal, just like the stock Pixel UI. But the best part is the responsiveness. The widgets automatically change their colors based on your wallpaper. So whenever you switch wallpapers, the entire setup starts feeling different without manually editing every widget. That makes the whole home screen feel more connected instead of looking like separate elements placed randomly. And the app also supports both light mode and dark mode properly. Another good thing is that these widgets work directly without needing apps like KWGT. So you can just install the app, pick a widget, resize it, and place it on the home screen. There are also different shapes and styles available for some widgets, which helps a lot while making modern Android apps. And yes, this is a paid app, but considering the amount of widgets, the responsive material you're styling, I genuinely feel the price is worth it if you enjoy home screen customizations, especially for people who want their Android setup to look modern, clean, and pixel inspired. The third app is called a Fluffy Widgets. And unlike the previous app, which focused more on the pixel style, this one gives a softer and more rounded One UI inspired look. The overall design style here feels very minimal but also kind of playful at the same time. Inside the app, you will find different types of widgets like clocks, calendars, battery, weather widgets, search bars, and a few aesthetic utility widgets as well. And all of them follow that fluffy One UI style with the rounded corners and soft layouts. One thing I really like is that the widgets don't feel too sharp or overly complicated. Everything looks simple and comfortable on the home screen. And just like the previous app, this one also does not require KWGT. So you don't have to manually import presets or configure complicated widget packs. You can simply install the app, choose a widget, resize it, and directly place it on your home screen. That makes it much easier for beginners who want a good looking setup without spending too much time editing anything. Another nice detail is that the widgets support both light and dark themes set up properly. And yes, this is also a paid app, but if fluffy or One UI inspired customization is your style, this feels worth it because the widgets already look polished and ready to use without extra setup work. The next app is called Overmorrow, and technically this is a weather app. The whole app is based on Material UI design. The interface itself looks very smooth and minimal. Instead of throwing too much information at you, the app keeps everything clean and easy to read while still showing all the important weather details. You can check current weather, hourly forecast, upcoming days, temperature changes, rain chances, and other weather information in a really organized way. But for customization users, The main highlight is definitely the widgets. The app comes with material use styled weather widgets that automatically blend with your wallpaper colors and overall setup theme. This also supports both light mode and dark mode properly. So the widgets adapt nicely depending on the wallpaper and theme you use. And overall, the animations and transition inside the app also feels really smooth and polished. So even though this is mainly a weather application, it's honestly a really good option for people who care about home screen customization and want functional widgets that also looks good visually. The final app in this video is called a Material Photo Widget. And if you like adding personal touches to your home screen setups, this app is honestly really good. Unlike most photo widget apps that either look outdated or lock features behind subscriptions, this one is completely free and still looks very polished. The main purpose of the app is simple, creating beautiful photo widgets for your home screen. But the good thing is that it gives a lot of customization options without making things complicated. You can create photo widgets in different shapes and layout depending on your setup style. And because of the material you inspired design, the widgets blend nicely with modern Android setups instead of looking separate or old-fashioned. The app also lets you edit the appearance of the widgets quite a bit. You can adjust things like corner radius, image scaling, transparency, spacing, and overall layout style depending on the look you want. And even though the app is lightweight, the widget still feels smooth and modern. Another thing I like is that it does not try to overload the interface with unnecessary options. Everything is organized properly, so creating widgets feels quick and simple. And since it is free, this is probably one of the easiest customization apps to recommend in this entire video. So if you enjoy personalized home screens with your own images and memories, this app is definitely worth trying.